This is something new to me. I've not seen anything like this. This, you can see the overall make of it. The brand name on this is called the Joe Horse. Is what's written on the side here, and it's got a USB-C charging port down here on the bottom, and it comes with this rubberized piece right here. Let me kind of show you some of the features on this thing. So to add this, what you're going to do is pull it down like that, and this goes around the back of the bicycle seat. There's two ways of doing it. You can have it flat like this, or you could be vertical on the side like that, or straight up like that. The way I'm going to run it is exactly like this, and then I'm going to go around the bike seat. Say it's like that. It basically just goes around the bike seat like that, and it holds down on the bike. Let me show you some footage of this thing in action at night. So I'm out here and I've got my little DYU C2 e-bike here. Check this thing out. If you're interested in an e-bike that's a nice little compact package, I recommend this e-bike. You can kind of see over it here, and it already has a brake light on it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add our little, our little Joe Horse brake light to the back of this seat. And let me show you how you're gonna do this. So let's set this down. I'm going to lift this up some. It's actually a little lower than I normally run it, about right there. And there's several ways you can run this. So the way I'm going to do it is just go around, and then it connects. It goes around the stem, connects like that. You just got to hit it right in the right spot. So you see how it goes just like that. Let's move this over some. You can see it right there. So you can do it that way. You can turn it that way or that way. Very cool how that works. You see that? Off. And see, I could do this while I'm sitting on the bike. I can just reach under the seat and hit it just like that. Let me go ahead, switch over to some nighttime footage and show you what this thing looks like at night now that I have it mounted on the, the little DYU C2. So let's do that now. Here we are, it's nighttime now. Let me turn this thing on. Look how bright that thing is. That is one of the brightest taillights I have ever seen on a bike. Let me go ahead and put it on the strobe feature, or the actual like up and down line. Check that out. And there's the strobe right here. That is bright. And then looking over from the side, check it out. From the side, look how you can see it from this way and that way. Very impressive. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the little LED taillight. See you all in the next video.